Getting dark out here on me, but you see the top, how faded the top is. We're going to show you how to refinish these headlights. I just did this one, make it look brand new again. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content I'm putting out. I do all kind of stuff. I'm a professional painter by trade, so that's what I'm trying to focus on mainly, but throw a little in here and there of different stuff also. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to get that looking fresh and clean again. You want to start by getting you one of these Rust-Oleum headlight repair kits, restoration kit at Wal Mart. They're 15 bucks. They come with different sanding pads, 800 grit, 1500 grit, and there's a 2000 grit, a polishing pad, and some polishing compound. Alright. Comes with a little wheel for a drill also. Only thing you'll need is a drill. You want to have a spray bottle, well, at least water. I use soap and water.
We gotta go back. No. I dropped it.
See how pitted it is. Spray it down. Now I'm just going to be doing the top of this. Hit it with the drill estimate between 1200 and 1600 RPM. Don't have to be perfect. So about 4 or 5 passes with the 800 grit. You can see the water's getting dirty, sanding it down. Next, you want to do your 1500 grit. You can see it's clearing it up a little bit already. Same thing, 4 or 5 passes. Next is your 2000 grit. Same thing, 4 to 5 passes. I can tell you now, this has some damage on the inside of the lens, which this isn't going to fix that, of course, but it'll help it. Same thing, 4 to 5 passes with your 2000. And the last step, take your polishing compound, put a dime-sized spot on your pad. Come on, man. Move it around on there so you don't splatter it. Go to town polishing. Finish polishing it, wipe it off. And as you can see, that yellowing is gone. You can still see that. That's on the inside of the lens. As long as your yellowing and pitting is only on the outside, this will make your headlight look like new. You can see that one's beautiful. I mean, perfect. My work van over here, the whole headlight was yellow. Literally. I should have took a picture of it first. This thing looks brand new. This is a 1995 Caravan. It's a 25-year-old headlight. It was original. Brand new looking. So, it's hard to see because of the dark, but it's not too hard, as you can see. 15 bucks, as long as you have a drill, it's well worth it. So, give it a shot. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope this helps some of y'all out there. I'm trying to put up more content on this new channel. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. Thanks.